So last month, we have a 200 villa project in my hand. Project.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Assalamu alaikum for our Muslim brothers and sisters. Welcome to 246 Networking B2B of Turnkey. As most of you know, we have 3 sessions, if I have to give you the outline. In the first hour, we have a round table. Everybody take turns to introduce himself, herself, 2-3 minutes. And don't forget your specific request. That is very important. Maybe somebody from the network can help you with your specific request. In the second session, it's about 30 minutes, a webinar or presentation. Today we have a speaker, Mr. Murat Tiryaki. He's a founder of Entegrator, Turnkey, Industrial Facility EPC Contractor. This is a very important field. I got requests for different industrial projects so far, such as detergent factory, dairy factory, brick factory. And I linked some of them with the contractors. But Mr. Murat Tiryaki came up through our common friend, Mr. Selçuk, web designer. And I believe he have a great potential within Turnkey because our network is very strong in Africa, and Africa is full of projects. Mr. Murat, please make one-on-one with Mr. Mehmet Gökdemir. He provide finance from Gulf Islamic funds. So if you can resolve the finance part, there are so many projects in Africa. So the finance from Gulf, and you do the industrial EPC contracts, and all our market entry consultants, business partners has to do is find the millionaire, find the investor, and link with you. And simple as that. In the last 10 minutes, there is the Q&A session. You can say your final remarks. We ask the newcomers, how was the meeting, how was the experience, etc. I will take the first floor. My name is Rashid Kushkaya. Most of you know me. I am founder and moderator of Turnkey. Sometimes I am the driver. Our friends are coming in, and next week we are expecting Miss Farana from South Africa, and we will organize a physical B2B next Wednesday, inshallah. I will make the post. And there is also Bulgarian B2B on Monday, on Friday. Most of the Turnkey members will join in Istanbul. B2B with Turkey, Bulgaria B2B organized by team, Turkish Exporter Assembly. We have started the journey in 2020 in the time of pandemics because it was a challenging time for all the SMEs. They had a difficulty to continue their business because of the pandemics and travel restrictions, and the classical ways such as exhibitions failed. So at that time I was working for a big corporation in furniture industry, and I had a big network, global network, and we practiced digital marketing very professionally. And I realized that there are 2 ways left. Still, you can develop business during the pandemics, which is digital marketing and market search engine optimization and finding the client from the search engines. And there are ways to do it, organic way or sponsored way. And the second was network marketing. So it never dies. If somebody needs a water treatment, first name come to my mind is Mr. Arman Nazaretian. If somebody would like to enter Tanzanian market, Miss Nima will come to my mind. So I was linking people already without expecting any profit. I was manager, also executive director of DEIK, Foreign Economic Relations Board for Turkey, and as Africa director, Africa executive board member, we receive delegations, we send out delegations, but what they call it commercial diplomacy, and it produced no result. Most of them was just touristic purpose for leisure. It didn't turn into business. And then I noticed Japanese work differently. Japanese, they have an organization called Keidan Ren. Maybe South Korea has similar, Davron knows. And Keidan Ren, they come like small groups, 10 people from different industries in a cluster manner, completing each other, not competing. And they have solidarity, collaboration. When they visit a country, they plan months before. They hire a Turkish business market entry consultant, matchmaker. So this matchmaker finds the potential buyers, distributors, dealers for Japanese suppliers up to 10. So they pay for each qualified meeting. Like if the matchmaker can organize, say, five qualified meeting for a delegation of 10, it means 50 meetings, and they pay the matchmaker something like $200, and then the matchmaker earned 10K USD, and the supplier find distributor, dealer, or buyer, and the importer is also happy. So it's a win-win-win solution. And I thought this is the perfect way for business, international business development. And we benchmarked the system. Now we have partners in 40 plus countries that can help you with market entry services. And we have suppliers from 60 plus industries. Our numbers are now around 100. And turnover is
Ben Turnkey toplantısına katılıyorum.
turnover is approaching 14 million USD. And we take one and only representative from each and every industry, such as logistic seat is taken by Atat Logistic, and Miss Ayla Atat is a really magnificent person. She has an operation this week, right, Miss Maya? And our prayers with Ayla, we contributed Atat. They made new clients. They hosted us a few times. But since they are the only logistic partner, it is inevitable that they will receive business because there is only one logistic company. And there's Damaris also from Kenya. She does cargo, express cargo. But Atat is different. They can provide all logistic solutions, transportation solutions, air, road, and seaway, the sea freight. So they are interested with bigger and regular shipments. They started already working with some suppliers from Turkey. So you can share your contact details. You can put your LinkedIn profile also for easy connection. As I explained, this year's target is to have more than 100 exclusive members. We want to reach 120 and the turnover with $15 million. So we will achieve the turnover, that's for sure, because monthly our turnover is like 400 K USD. So each meeting, each B2B is creating value around 60K now, because we have done nearly 250. So if you are regular, if you don't miss any meetings, you will definitely develop business. The success story of the last month came from Narbutas Komtekov, Miss Zuhra. They are new in the market. They entered office furniture industry. So thanks to our referrals and connections, she received a big project from a banking institution, financial institution, around more than $300,000. So this was the first project, and we are working on shared office project. Like we want to sign a contract, make them sign a contract with a shared office, so that they don't need an office. They pay rent at the moment, so they will provide furniture. They will use their office. Also, by doing so, they wouldn't need a showroom. Otherwise, they have to pay a big rent for the showroom. So we're gonna hit three birds with one stone. So it's a Turkish proverb. And I would like to give floor to you guys now. My specific request from all of you to bring on one new member. Like Mr. Selçuk Engin introduced us, Mr. Murat Tiryaki. So he made already two members. One member is coming from nail care, Emir Mücahit. Maybe you know Mr. Murat Tiryaki. He's one of Selçuk's clients. So if you do so, we will double the number, and it means that it is bigger network is more beneficial for everyone. Our table will be richer, so everyone will benefit from this. So it will return you like a boomerang. Thank you very much. I want to give first floor to ladies as usual. Miss Maya, please go ahead. And frankly speaking, I really fell in love with your dog in the office. So cute.
Thank you.
Can you show us this dog, if it is possible, after your introduction, please?
I will try. This is Maya Atat. I am partner in Atat Transport. We are, as already explained, we have our own office at the Istanbul airport. We can also have ocean, sea shipment and truck shipment. So we can help you for all your loading. We know shipment very well. We are really experienced, and I hope that we can give you a good quotation and have good business with you. And then I don't know how to show you the place. I am in a little room, but well.
What was the name of the dog? Your pet?
Badem. Badem is not there, unfortunately.
Badem is not in the office today?
No, today he's off.
Okay.
Sorry.
But
Next time.
I think he is the motivator and mascot of the office.
Yes, there is a positive ambience here when Badem is there. It's a big help. It's like one of our employee here.
It is like when you enter a fancy restaurant, there is always a welcoming lady, right?
Yes,
And,
right. Very.
And it's she or he?
It's he.
So he is like a welcoming person and swing the tail and show excitement and love. It's really cool, you know. And
Yes, and he's very calm also. This is
yes,
a
yes,
good,
yes, yes.
it's our character also. We are also very calm, and well, Badam is like us.
Yes, yes, mashallah. The owners are similar also. And there's a saying, pets look like their owners, or pet owners pick up pets similar to them.
Yes,
Uh,
right.
yeah. Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Maya.
Thank you.
We wish fast recovery to Ayla. Please say our regards.
Yeah, I will do.
And if she is busy, you can always join, or Suat, or somebody, Murat. But please, logistic seat is very important. Somebody in the morning was asking me, I think it was Dare from Nigeria. He was looking for a logistic partner in South Africa. So there are always opportunities. You are the core, you know, the custom broker and the logistic partner, transportation partner is very important.
Yes,
And
that's right. And we cannot tell you we are good at that destination, or we can do every destination. So
and
we are.
Turkey has a geostrategical position. You know, we have people from Asia, Europe, America, Middle East, Africa, Latin America, and Turkey is at the intersection, as you know, in the intersection of continents. Turkish Airlines flies the most destination. So the same goes for the transportation partners. So you can organize shipments from China to Africa, from America to Turkey,
Right.
from Turkey to Africa. So we are in a peninsula. You know, we three side of Turkey is covered with ports, and so this is a big benefit. We are not a landlocked country like Ethiopia
Right.
or Congo. You know, we have many ports, and we are now working on. Turkey is working on the railroad, and it is in collaboration with China's Belt and Road project. So the more railroads and highways are coming up in the future through Turkestan, through Central Asia, and it will bypass. There is a northern way and middle way, they call. The northern goes through Russia and above the Caspian Sea, and the middle corridor goes through Iran and passing through Turkey and reaching to Europe. So this is the shortcut. Instead of using the vessel, vessel will be the cheapest one, sea freight. But for the shipments that need urgency, instead of the airway, I think railroad transportation is a very good alternative. And Turkey is going to play a very crucial role. Also, we are energy corridor. And once the Zengezur corridor is open between Turkestan and Turkey, and then there will be uninterrupted rail connection. Already we have Marmaray that is going through Bosphor. So one train moving from China can go to London on the rail uninterrupted. So this is already happening. Daytime on Marmaray there is passengers, but night they transfer goods, and there's shipments, containers, cars carrying goods from Asia to Europe. It's like the Silk Road, historical Silk Road we had in the past, but instead of camels, now we have train, fast train, and trucks. All right. Second floor, Miss Buse.
Hello, my name is Buse. I'm marketing executive of Arcan Generator. Arcan Generator was formed in 2012 year in Istanbul, Turkey. We produce a diesel generator, natural gas generator, solar hybrid generator, and more. And we make tailor-made energy solutions. Synchronize systems, marine generators, and medium voltage generator sets, special canopy, and project design. We are looking for strategic partners, different countries like Kenya, Tanzania, or Africa region. In Africa region, you can write to me other meeting after meeting if you want connect with Arcan Generator. Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Buse.
Hi, thank you.
They are the Turnkey's power generator partner. Also, Mr. Birkan, founder of the company, he has a nice olive garden, and he grows olive oil. He makes olive oil, award-winning olive oil, because he doesn't do it for money, for hobby, as a hobby. And I recommend you to taste it, try it. If you visit the factory, they give you olive oil, free olive oil. Please say my regards to Mr. Birkan, Miss Melis, and Mr. Hakan Öztürk. And we want to we want to organize a B2B, Miss Buse, please, at your new factory, physical B2B. Now,
Yes, it's in my mind.
yes, please keep in mind, organize it. Maybe it can be the same time with furniture fair, mid-January, because most of our partners will come to this exhibition. Maybe we can come as a delegation. You can organize a shuttle bus from the TÜYAP, and we can come to factory and we can drop them back to the hotel. We want to show there are some purposes, like we want to promote your factory. We will have a production team, digital content team, and then we will make a physical B2B as usual. Every month we do it, and we get to know your new factory, your new technology. I am sure there are robots, robotic lines working inside. The last cutting edge technology, very sophisticated factory for power generators. And we develop business for Arcan. It will grow in Ethiopia. We did matchmaking with Ethiopia dealer, Mr. Ozan Semerci, and he bought already 2 containers, and it will continue. And now, actually, you're lucky, you met the biggest generator importer of Africa. So take Mr. Ozan very seriously. He used to be AXA Generator's biggest Africa dealer. So I made a very good connection, and you transferred the Osimhen of Galatasaray. So please focus on Ozan, and definitely he's a very busy man. He's a coffee exporter, and he's opening now coffee chains similar to S Lab, started from Izmir and coming to Istanbul. He attend an exhibition everywhere, every country, every month. So he's very active. He's also, we made him Vestel distributor. They opened 9 stores. Now Vestel Electronics is number 1 in Ethiopia market. So these are some small success stories. Maya, have you started working with Arken? I think you did.
Yes, we are in contact with them. So, hello.
Have you received any shipment? Not yet.
Well, I know that I see it, but I cannot tell you exactly
Please check because I made the connection a few times. And if there was shipment, there is shipment. Miss Buse can check with also the export operation manager or
Yes, okay.
transportation. And we should record this business development to Arken's favor. So who gives the business
Okay, I will check.
get the rating. Okay, let's move on. Mr. Murat has to leave around 5:15, so we need to finish in 20 minutes the round table. Mr. Arman, seasoned business developer, he called himself sales executive. Go ahead, please, Arman.
Hello, how are you, everybody? This is Arman Nazaretyan from Akmaç Company. For those who knows, it will be, I don't know how many times repeated. We are dealing with water and wastewater treatment. A Turkish company which is taking place within the top 20 desalination suppliers around the world. It's a quite big success, I have to admit. And we are doing business not only in Turkey, but almost everywhere on earth, including a big part of Africa, Asia, even in Europe and America as well. Currently, we are providing water treatment systems and wastewater treatment systems for municipalities or any governmental institutions, for cities or communities on one hand, and also for factories or power plants or agricultural compounds on the other hand, for both public and private sector. And our purpose to join this platform is obvious. We are looking for new challenges in everywhere on earth, in places that we are already existing, and also in places that we may enter from now on. Therefore, anybody who is thinking that it will be beneficial to collaborate with us is welcome. He can call me, write me, or tell me about his intention, and we will be glad to collaborate with him. I think such a short elevator speech is enough, Mr. Rashid.
Yes, thank you very much. That was ideal. Not too long, not too short. You made your point. Aquamatch is a very professional company, guys. They are in top 10, number 1 in Turkey, maybe number 5 in Europe. So all kinds of water treatment projects, like industrial water treatment, every factory needs water treatment. And desalinization, wastewater. So this is trendy. You know, every city need to manage waste. So Ruby, please work with African municipalities when they discharge the house wastewater to the ocean, to the sea. It is polluting, you know. But there is finance available for this process. So the World Bank, African Development Bank. So when you have the finance and the contractor is here, they can realize the projects. Nima, do you have a comment? Go ahead, Tanzania, Nima, or maybe you have to leave. Go ahead.
No. I just wanted to ask Mr. Arman that I'm interested in the project. If they have ways of getting finance, I think there's a proposal that I would want to give him for Tanzania, and we can
So yeah,
discuss.
because all African countries, municipalities need this technology. So before, let me explain what happened in Turkey, in Izmir. In the case of Izmir, there is a bay. If the house waste goes directly to the sea, and then it is polluted, the sea life finish, the fishes die, and it smells really bad, like toilet, because it's basically toilet. It is flushing to the sea, and if you don't filter it, but now we have big filtering facilities all around Istanbul, so it's not directly discharged, it's filtered. And some of the water can be reused, and also if you consider less and less water, rain is coming down, so it's important to fight the drought. And also they can there are many ways to use this waste to produce energy, fertilizer, etc., etc. But finding finance is not Aquamatch job of Aquamatch. Maybe Mr. Mehmet Gökdemir can help you if you come with a reasonable project, and Mr. Mehmet is the project facilitator. He find finance. If there is government warranty or some warranties, business plan, he can find Islamic finance from the Gulf, and they will happily give credit to municipalities and corporations, I think. Mr. Mehmet, go ahead, please.
Sorry, Mr. Rashid, may I add a few comments for this previous question?
Sure,
Sorry,
go
Mr. Gökdemir, also for interrupting you. Ms. Nima, our target market is not public. Yes, as Mr. Rashid put, public projects are welcome for cities or communities that need water and wastewater treatment separately or together, that are looking for finance. It's an important issue, but you may also consider markets such private markets such as hotel investments or similar places where the infrastructure of the government is not enough, but they need to treat their water, to provide their customers clean water on one hand, and then to treat their wastewater on the other hand, the used water, maybe for recycling it for irrigation or other purposes, or directly to flush it to the sewage system or the nature after being treated appropriately. Therefore, the horizon that you will see is a quite wide horizon, is not a limited one. For the details, it is better to discuss later on, not to waste the time of this platform. Sorry for the interruption, but I think it was useful.
Yeah, you made a good point. As Arman said, we are targeting not B2G projects. They are very complicated. It takes long process. But if you target private sector projects, a waste of a factory or hotel. So we developed business for Aquamatch. In the past, it was a villa compound project, wastewater. And if all you need to do is just link the contractor with Aquamatch, and they will handle the whole process. And their projects are starting from $100,000 and up. So if it is a $1 million project, you will also earn a lot of commission. And if once they make one project in a specific country, then it follows up with new projects. So it's a reliable partner. Thank you, Mr. Arman. I have to move on quickly because time is catching
Can
up.
you please connect me with him? I think I have
Yeah,
some.
Nima, you are in the same group actually, Mr. Arman. If you can find Nima in WhatsApp group, you can. Mr. Arman shared a catalog recently. You can also find him there. Mr. Arman, please referring Miss Nima, send your contact details in our WhatsApp group. Thank you very much.
Will do.
Nima,
Okay.
Nima, since already you started, please introduce yourself. Nima is a big networker from Tanzania. Tanzania is developing fast, and there is also Zanzibar has a lot of tourism potential. She organizes a business forum, Africa Investment and Business Forum, consisting some politicians, also top politicians of Tanzania, and investors, exporters from other countries. We are supporting NEMA in the future. Maybe it is going to be a Turnkey and Global Chamber Summit. NEMA is also a Global Chamber Tanzania. And we are collaborating with Global Chamber, Ruby from Ghana, Brandon from Kenya. So we are partners. And Ruby invited me today global market entry consultant meeting. I didn't stay longer. I wish I could. They are all professional people from 50 countries. So they give each other business. For example, one American company would like to enter Turkey. So I help them as GMEC Turkey. And one Turkish company would like to enter America. The American GMEC partner helps. And we share the commissions. Like there's a fee. And who makes the market entry take the lion's share, like most of the profit commission and or fee, let's say 75 to 25, and then it depends on the agreement of two consultants, and then if there is sales, the company gives you also success fee. So this is pretty much like this. Very good idea. I really liked it. Ruby, thank you very much. I appreciate your efforts. Nima, can you speak up, please?
Yes, my name is Neema Mleli. I'm the Executive Director for Global Chamber Tanzania, but also I organize conferences, trade missions in Africa and other parts of the world. And soon I think we are going to organize Tanzanians coming to Turkey for next year. But also we are going to have our conference, our annual conference, the Global African Trade and Investment Conference this year. Next year, it will happen in Namibia. And there's also a lot of opportunities in Namibia.
You mean it is gonna be held in different country every year, not every year in Tanzania?
Yes, different country in
Okay.
Africa every year. So next year it's going to be in Namibia, and I would like to welcome each one of you because it is a good way of market entry to Africa, but also learn how Africans are doing business. But also anyone who wants to enter the market of Tanzania, I am welcoming you to just I'll drop my email and my number on the chat box so that we can discuss. Last time the people who wanted, they were talking about cosmetics and all, so we have we can also support you in how you can have distributors or open business in Tanzania. Thank you so much.
Nima, you sound very young, and to organize such business forums, mashallah. moving on to Ruby, she raised hand also, maybe she's in a hurry. Ruby, we know each other for a very long time. We first met in export fair in Accra, and she supported us with market entry service. She's a really, I think, one of the best professional in this industry. She is really good at market entry. She has done this work for British Embassy, and now she is like honorary consular for Turkey. We are so lucky. We are blessed to have such senior business developers, market entry consultants to have from Ghana. Emmanuel is busy with his political assignments, and Ruby is taking advantage of this opportunity. And she supported me in the furniture interior contract fit out business before, from airport to airport service. We have visited all the architects, hotel renovation projects. She's really a sweet person, and she is a giver, most definitely. And India advisor of Global Chamber, and GMEC. Most probably I will be Turkey partner of GMEC. Ruby, I think your connection is frozen. Ruby, go
Hello,
ahead, please.
Can you hear me okay? Hello,
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
I think there is a general problem with social media, so because of some cloud service.
Yeah, I think so. Thank you, Mr. President, for the floor and for your kind words. It's always a pleasure joining your meetings. So for my introduction, I'm also the Executive Director for Global Chamber in Ghana, and I run a consulting firm also called Global Trade Consult, and I help companies with their market entry requirements, which can be tailored to suit your specific needs. We cover all sectors. And so if you are interested in my market and would like to explore with your product and services, I'll be interested to talk to you. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Back to you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Ruby. Are you still in the States? When are you moving?
Yes, I'm here in Michigan.
Please,
Yes.
please organize a delegation with Emmanuel to Furniture Fair mid-January.
In
It's
January. Yes.
big event, and if you can accompany them, and we do the due diligence. I think you should slowly take over Emmanuel's portfolio, because his cousin maybe will be, he's a foreign affairs minister, maybe will be the prime minister. So it means that his occupancy with politic issues will continue. So
Yeah.
it gives full floor. And Ghana is so important for us because all throughout these 54 African countries, the fastest trade growth between Ghana and Turkey.
Yeah.
So the speed momentum is higher than South Africa or Egypt. You know, any big Nigeria, African economy. They are because they love Turkish products, and very stable country, peaceful people. So you are all welcome to visit. Ruby is there for you. Thank you for.
Okay. Thank you.
Being there for all of us, Ruby. We love you. Thank you. Appreciate. Mr. Mehmet, go ahead, please.
Hello, everybody. My name is Mehmet Gökdemir. So I'm doing consultancy work for textile industry, as I'm originally a textile engineer, for recycle industry, and also for any feasible projects for the right investors, that we are also providing funds from Gulf countries, as long as the investor and the project has to be feasible. So any project or any help that you will require from involving these industries, you can always get in touch with me. I think that's all. Thank you very much.
Kindly mention your textile background.
Well, as I am the senior member of the group, I graduated from University of Manchester, BSc and MSc Textile Engineering. So I worked almost 40 years in textile industry in and out of Turkey, in mainly big factories, big companies. Then for the last 3-4 years back in Turkey, so I've done some consultancy work in textile in different fields, in recycle industry, and for the couple of years, also more than 1 year, I'm involved with this funding, mainly from Gulf countries, because I noticed that the major problem for investments is the finance. So it's not only in Turkey, but it's all over the world. Also money transfers. This has been a big issue for me. When I was managing a textile factory in Algeria, it was the biggest problem was to transfer money. So now our finance team can also transfer money all over the world, not only in currency, but in any way. So this is also a big issue. I know that industries and companies are facing a big problem in this field. So you can always come to me as long as the money source has to be legitimate. So it has to actually originate from industry or from trade. So we can do this for all over the world. Because I remember during my Algeria years, we couldn't even pay our personnel salaries. It was so difficult to transfer money. So this is now for the couple of few months, we are also involved helping companies in this issue. So, but my main experience has always been in textile, from engineering up to general manager for the last 20 years. So you can always come back to me for one-on-one meetings or any point what I have already mentioned to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Gökdemir. Once he played in Manchester United.
Yes, I am a great football player, but my grandchildren make a joke. Grandfather, they say, you didn't play in United or City, you only played in the streets of Manchester.
Mr. Mehmet, inshallah, we should make evening meetings. We have Mr. Nihat in Başakşehir, as you know. Mr. Sherif, Mr. Nezih, they all would like to join. By your fireplace, Mr. Mehmet has a nice winter garden, and that's a luxury. And a stove that burns wood. That is really nostalgic, and it is a therapy to watch it. Inshallah, we organize such.
You are always welcome. Always welcome.
Thank you, sir. And he is blessed with a very well cooking wife as well, and that keeps Mr. Mehmet a little bit chubby, and because the wife makes so delicious food. Okay, moving on. Who is left? Umar Musa. Can you speak up, Umar Musa? Brandon Matuki. Maybe Umar is on the way. He was traveling. We have two business partners from South Africa, Mr. Umar Musa and Farana. Farana is coming. Next Wednesday, inshallah, we will make a physical B2B at Miss Zuhal Tuzcu Architecture Office in Levant. Brandon, if you can introduce yourself. If The camera doesn't work. You can speak camera off.
Hello guys.
We see you. The connection in Kenya is good.
Thank you so much. I hope you guys are well.
Yeah, Brandon, can you hold it 1 minute, please? Because Umar is not always stable. Umar, can you speak? Umar is a market entry consultant.
Yes.
Go ahead, please.
Hello. Good afternoon. Oh, okay. Bless family. Well done, Mr. Rashid, for all the effort you are doing, putting people together so that we can be able to be in Cape Town. I'm actually from Emerging Mining Association of Namibia. We are into marketing, supply. We're ready to work with anybody who is willing to work with us over here. But Emerging Mining Association of Namibia, we are into minerals. We assist people to have their licenses, and then to also at the same time we currently anyway we are Emerging Mining Association, of Namibia. I'm the ambassador here in South Africa.
Musa's connection is not very good. I will complete it. Musa is engineer from South Africa. He is in collaboration. He's vice president of Mining Association of Namibia. They are very well linked with all your mineral requests or mining. They have a lot of requests about mining equipment and machinery. I want Mr. Murat and Mr. Mehmet Gökdemir to focus on mining equipment supplier from Turkey. Mr. Murat, they asked me to for mining contractor who will set up the whole process. I linked some companies with Yılmaden, this holding, Yılmaz Holding, but they are not Yılport, and they are not very much focused, and they are only interested in sovereign warranty government projects, so they don't pay attention to private sector projects. I would like to move on. Brandon, take the floor, please, and then Ihsan. Davron, make a last reminder that we are starting the webinar. Mr. Murat is ready. We need more participation before we take the family photo. Okay, Brandon, take the floor, please. Brandon, we don't hear you, man. Unmute.
Sorry about that.
Go ahead.
Okay, sorry about that. I wanted to share a few updates with you. I think I had met a representative from MedAssist, and then from Aken, and then from the one for this, recycling. Those are represented for recycling. So I was looking at that and then seeing how best to position a chapter to represent those needs. And I'm glad to report that I made a connect with one of the developers one of the big developers in this region, one Vipingo development zone. In it, they have an industrial park. There's also real estate, modern real estate. In essence, they are building a modern town in an area that was largely unoccupied. So I made contact with him, and we are looking to discuss to see how best to move forward. And I'm seeing options in which the fellows that I've just mentioned can benefit from this position. I look forward to reaching out with you and then seeing how best to position it for more opportunities going forward.
Yeah, thank you, Brandon. Brandon lives in Nairobi, right? Nairobi.
In Mombasa.
Mombasa, okay. Mombasa is the second biggest city of Kenya. Kenya is one of the stable African countries in East Africa. It's like gateway to East Africa. They have also economic union. Osman coming, and yes, if you want to enter East Africa, please contact with Brandon. Brandon also Global Chamber Kenya. Thank you for joining, not skipping any meeting, Brandon. I am sure you will get result very soon, and you keep on doing one-on-ones with every supplier in Turnkey, okay? And don't forget to take screenshots and share with us for motivation.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, brother. Ihsan, Mr. Ihsan, take the floor.
Hello, everybody. My name is İhsan. I am sales manager of Yıldız Yapı Sistemleri. We do fit out interior contractor actually. Also, as my specialty is one floor and glass partition wall systems also, and we did in the future with Mr. President some projects in Africa also too, and hope to take new contacts here and see you next time. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, President.
You're welcome. Osman Keita, can you speak?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mr. Rashid. My name is Usman Keita. I am business developer from Guinea, in Turkey here. But our company name's Dama Logistic. We are in logistic and transportation and supply chain. If anyone need enter in Guinea markets, we are available to assist. Thank you.
Thank you for short elevated speech, Osman. You can link with Miss Maya Atat Logistic. They are the. Have you made one-on-one with Miss Ayla? How was it?
Mr. Ayla? No.
Yes.
No.
So exchange the contacts. Write your contact details in the chat box. Miss Maya will link with you.
Yeah, Mr. From Atat.
Yes, right.
Yeah. So we exchange anytime, many time email from. If I have any other things, I send them.
Okay, thank you very much. Same to you. We'll send you also.
Yeah.
Yes, Osman is a market entry consultant for Guinea. He is also in logistic business. The logistic people in Africa, they are also in trading, you know, and most of the time the buyer give them money and ask specific product to be outsourced and shipped. They do also the custom clearance, I believe. They have custom broker partners. So it's a complete service. You can collaborate between Turkey and Guinea shipments as two logistic partners. And last floor is gonna be taken by Davron. Davron is our photographer. And we have Dare. Sorry, Dare, I almost missed you. Say a few words about how Turnkey can help you go global.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, Turnkey members. My name is Dare. I'm a business developer. I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria. And I've said it and I'll keep saying it. Turnkey is your network to global connect, you understand? With Turnkey has given me, it's broadened my mind in terms of business opportunities and the connect. You know, I say to anybody that if there's any solution you're looking for, just give me 48 hours and I'll get to Turnkey and, you know, we'll make it happen. So that's the power that Turnkey has. So thank you to Mr. President for being so steadfast over the years. You've done this week in and week out. I don't think we say enough thank you to you. So on behalf of everybody, this comes to say a very big thank you to you for all the good works, for being so resilient, for being so dogged, for being so giving, for being so selfless. Thank you, Mr. President. And thank you to every member, because I've seen the old veterans around here. I'm seeing Mr. Mehmet, I'm seeing Mr. Isan, I'm seeing Mr. Erman. Yes,
have you
please.
found a logistic partner from South Africa, Farana? Is Farana help you? We have engineer Umar Musa here, if you can exchange contact details also.
Okay.
Miss Maya, Atat Logistic, I am sure they have a partner in South Africa.
Yes, we have partner also. We can help
All right.
making your name.
Musa, please discuss in private with Miss Maya. I can link you. Now we are late. Davron, take a
All right. Yeah,
take
welcome.
photo and then post it. Make a clip nicely. Davron is our poster maker, and also he create a small clips regarding meeting. Thank you very much, Davron. Make everyone smile. Open the cameras and make your introduction. Mr. Murat, you can start after photo. You can start share screen.
Mr. Brandon, Mr. Osman.
Yes, Osman, Nima, faces. Brandon, Dare, Osman, Nima. We need your faces.
I'm here.
Okay.
And my face is here.
Nima, Osman.
Let me start counting then. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
Who is the best smiler?
Can I start?
Yes,
I think it was engineer Musa. Yeah, go ahead, Mr. Tiryaki. Sorry for the delay. Because of bad connection, I think there's a global cloud problem, and it is affecting our speed and recording, because we record these meetings on the cloud. Please start screen share. In the meanwhile, Davron, since Mr. Murat is opening his presentation, you shortly mention what you do in South Korea.
Thank you, Mr. President. Just a second. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
Yes, my name is Davron. I'm a business developer in Turnkey from Uzbekistan. I work in many Turkish companies exporting HoReCa equipment and Turkish luxury house furniture. I assisted many Turkish companies to make a contract with investors in Uzbekistan in terms of building hotels and restaurants. These days I'm in South Korea exporting Korean cosmetics in Europe, Middle East, and United States. So my request from this group is if you need some B2B cosmetic projects, you can contact me or any other business in South Korea. As long as I am here, I would love to help you. Thank you very much.
Mr. Murat, go ahead.
Okay. Hello, everybody. I will be a little bit in hurry because there's some urgent things happen. Then I might leave in 20-25 minutes. So let me introduce myself first. I am electrical electronic engineer, and I have worked more than 15 years in mining industry. And that mines were first copper and zinc. It was an underground mine, and
Mr. Murat, sorry for interruption. I definitely recommend one-on-one with Engineer Musa. They are with Miss Tekla. They are like president of African Mining Association, management of African Mining Association.
okay.
They are linked with all the mines in Africa. Okay,
Oh,
so
very good.
you can develop a lot of projects.
Very good. So I start in underground mine as an underground engineer. Then I work in the gold mine, SSR mine in Turkey, 2 years, and it was the commissioning of the mine, and we commissioned the mine there. We complete almost 20 projects there. Then I work in African consultancy company. It was a mining and energy company. And I work also Yılmaden Holding, which is the subsidiary of Yıldırım Holding, which they operates chromium mines and ferrochrome ferronickel metallurgical complex. Actually, I was an engineering and innovation manager then. So I established this company actually in 2014 as a consultancy company. I closed it, and then I re-established this company as an integrator technology in 2019 in the UK. It was the purpose or objective was a consultancy for the industrial projects, especially for mining, chemical, and wood industry. But it changed a good way, and I turned EPC contractor. So what I would like to mention the integrator here. Integrator means engineering and integration together. So we do get every part of the project, industrial projects, and we engineer individually each process equipments, each process requirements, and we put all together, and we are providing as a turnkey EPC contractor. So this is a little bit unique, actually, especially in Turkey, because no one is taking responsibility or accountabilities of the customer selections. We do so. So we do follow the customer's requirements and customers' priorities at the point of the process equipment, at the point of the processing requirements. We then get everything, and then we just modify according to real project conditions, and then we put project running. Okay. So I would like to present the last 4 projects we completed, 5 major EPC projects we completed, and one was in the mine, actually it's in the wood industry. It is a laminate factory. We do turnkey supply. It was all greenfield, like you see on the ground. It was like this, and each project, and we put all these plant from above the ground. So excluding the concrete works, we did all things here, including electrical automation and statistical design, PNIDs, process flow diagrams, etc. The key point was here for the big one. If you see my mouse, I don't know whether you see or not. This one is imported from the process equipment imported from the Italy. Only that part. We did all complete everything at the point of our customers, and our customer didn't even talk to Italy guy and Italy process owner. We manage everything on behalf of them. Okay. So we are following especially the project management standards in the USA and the UK, which is called in USA Project Management Institute, PMI. And in UK, it's called Excelos in Prince2 methodology. So we do we are a certified project practitioner for all of these organizations. And what is our constant strength here? Actually, I would like to stress again. We are very adept in utilizing a risk opportunity based approach for any business, any kind of sectors. And then we can clearly define innovative outcomes and solution technologies, whether you know or not. We are also looking for if there is a better option, a better layout, or better engineering solutions. So up to now, personally for myself and then privately, professionally for my company, we did save approximately $140 million at the point of our customers and the companies I work for up to now. I am a little bit faster because I need to pick my kids. So I will complete if you want later. So what we do produce here, we do produce any type of the processing equipments which is not very specific actually. If it's very specific and a little licensed equipment like specific reactors licensed from Italy or Germany, we cannot do produce this. It's copyright protected. But other type of the processing equipment have you seen here on the presentation? We can design, fabricate, and erect in your premises actually. At the point of this processing equipment, you might need any other energy solutions as well, like cogeneration system, regeneration system, heat recuperators, and some economizers and boilers. We do not produce boilers. We do not produce motors, but we do combine everything, design the energy balance and your mass balance and water balance, and define clearly what might be your requirement at the point of energy usage. And these are some projects with it. I will show you a little bit video about around this company. This is the first project. We improved the production process time almost 20%, and then we also decrease the energy usage in this first project. This laminate factory uses formaldehyde plant because of the pandemic and logistic crisis and then raw material crisis. They start installing the formaldehyde plant, and this plant is using methanol as a raw material and producing formaldehyde 37% and 45%. And then when they install this, they expand their line, another line, and this is the 7th line they call HPL. And this unit also purchased from India, the press, high pressure laminate press. We did all rest of the project here, and this capacity is almost 3 times bigger than the first capacity. And we did change all the process diagram here by taking all accountabilities, and we installed this project compared to the existing one. It's almost 40% less energy consumption, and we eliminate almost 7 pumps compared to the old 6 plants. And we did also some consultancy engineering projects for a copper mine, which is located near Black Sea it's called Acacia. Acacia has, at that time, has slightly commissioned, and they were not able to manage their project actually. And this is why they require a project management consultancy from us. And we did define and clarify all the scope of the project here. And we also did make commissioning of projects here. So we established a CapEx management system for them. We supervised some project engineers, and then we left, actually. And we also did develop a consultancy high-level study for Kastamonu Entegre. Kastamonu Entegre is the biggest MDF factory in Europe. It's fourth, I think. Fourth one, I think. They were planning to invest for decarbonize their energy usage, and we did some high-level study whether they can invest existing lands and existing project which is listed by the government, and we make a short list for them, and then they bid for all the sites at the time. Okay, and this is First Quantum Minerals. You might know First Quantum Minerals has operation in Rize in Turkey. I also worked there for 7 years, and I know very well that. So they are expanding their Pestville facility. Pestville facility is a facility that using the fill the underground areas, empty areas. Okay. And then they were modernizing. This is a 20-year plant. They are now modernizing because their ore body has changed, and they need to improve their capacity and the power of the plant. And we did basic engineering, and we are on the deal of detailed engineering, and I think we will deal all the other EPC works as well. And we also make it was a this is my hometown. It was a social project. We did investigate all the potable water system of the one municipality, which has 45,000 population. And we investigated that some of the pumps is not proper, and some of the pumps is not working as an efficient area. So we make a new PNID and process layout for them, and then they start saving energy. Okay, we also provide First Quantum Minerals for a new mine site located in the east of the Turkey, a project management consultancy, and train the new guys there to manage the project efficient and in expected quality. That's all. At the other hand, I would like to mention some products we develop. Actually, one is we call. I will share actually. Okay, I will share another presentation. I think that one.
Yeah, close this one from the screen and open that one, please.
Yeah, this is if you see clearly, we call Mocomine. Mocomine, which is a technology I have developed 15 years ago for First Quantum. There is a structure underground. This is a real structure photo. If you see a photo of the underground mine in Çayelibaşı in First Quantum, we develop a communication infrastructure which is very competitive to Canadian communication company. And with this infrastructure, we do provide some panels which controls the pumps, and monitors gases in the underground mine, and then also provide some signalization system, communicate with above ground, and then manage the underground traffic and save operational time. This is the thing I developed in 15 years ago, and it has been awarded from Canadian company 15 years ago. As now a contractor, we decided to put This is a commercial product, and we did develop again, and we are also selling this as a package system. And we have also another process which has been, I think, will be funded by EBRD. We did talk 2 weeks ago. This is, if you see, this is a circular economy-based product. This is a mobile container system. There should be a trail on it, or even not trail, and it's we call this project as a mushroom. These are containers that communicate each other in the work site, especially we develop for mine sites. So if there is no power, you cannot easily transfer to the mine site. You are easily installing this, and you can install a couple of them together, and you can connect directly like you are connecting computers together. And they have inside they have installed battery, and this battery is also feeding a heat pump, and this heat pump provides cooling and heating airs to inside the container. And the container inside, I cannot basically show you right now. I couldn't find the more proper way. Sorry for that, but I decided right now to mention about that.
Murat, sorry for interruption. We have a prefab container supplier, Mr. Nezih.
That's okay.
He can make
That's okay.
Mr. Nezih Yaman. I can link you. Maybe he's gonna be vice president. He's a board member, one of the founding board member, and he can find all kind of prefab solutions, containers. Okay.
Okay, we may be partner for them. We did not produce this system. This is a package. We have some algorithm that communicate each other, so we can communicate them. So this is the things I have would like to present. I think I need to leave in 5 minutes. Sorry for that. But as a summary, we are
just leave 5 minutes for Q&A, please. You can share this PDF on our group. Thank you for informative presentation. You can end share screen and back to the room. Please, anyone has question, raise your hand. Mr. Mehmet Gökdemir.
Actually,
I recommend to make one-on-one with Mr. Murat since he is working on energy saving. You are also in recycling. Both topics are popular and trendy and easily financeable. And I believe you can collaborate together. You can also provide finance. Let's say there is a factory energy saving project in Africa, and you find the finance from the Gulf, and Mr. Murat does EPC contracting part.
Yeah, I'd like to make, whenever you are available, Mr. Murat, it would be great to have an online meeting together whenever you are available.
Okay, we appreciate for your interest. We will do so. So Korhan is also working with us. He will arrange these meetings.
Great.
Yes, questions and comments, closing remarks. Mr. Murat, Korhan is representing the company when you are absent. This is very good. Also, we will appreciate somebody has more information about technical processes. He is, I think, new in this industry. He cannot reply technical questions. And maybe Miss Ferial would be a better match. Keep in mind, Ferial was your second manager, right? Miss Ferial.
Feray,
Feray, okay.
yes, yes.
All right, questions, please. Raise your hand. Dara, you surprised me. You always have question. What is wrong with you? Are you sleeping?
We have talked with Dare actually, as I
already?
remember. Yes.
We had a meeting yesterday with Mr. Murat.
Yeah, we have shortlisted some of project for with Dare, and then we start working on that as well. So,
So that's why I'm keeping quiet.
Yeah, Dara, for example, there's Hayat Holding in Nigeria. They need his service. And you go to Hayat Holding and say, I have a contractor from Turkey. He can help you save 40% energy. And energy is very expensive in Nigeria and not stable.
So the good news, Mr. Murat has a solution. Nigeria has natural gas. So I sent to Koan the data for natural gas that Nigeria has. So the methanol project that he talked about, we're trying to replicate that in Nigeria at the moment. So, talks are ongoing.
Before you also had LNG station project, LNG gas station project. Is it still on? Maybe Mr. Murat can help you with this.
I should be in London next month, so I'm planning to meet Mr. Murat when I go to London next month.
Okay, his wife also from Morocco. Maybe you can do something between Nigeria and Morocco. Mr. Murat, we get this gas station, LNG station demands from time to time. If you can find a contractor who can do this, the whole project, or EV, electric charging, keep in mind. So there is demand for this field.
I forget to mention, we are the legal partner of Europower. Actually, it was shown in the presentation. You have Europower and Huawei in the communication side, and Europower for the PV, solar PV and charger system. We can easily provide some proposal, even megawatt levels or kilowatt levels as well. So, but it's something, we are providing when we contact to our customer. This project is in 4 years. We did in 3 years, actually, we did 4 huge projects. We are just saying you can, for example, we propose them for recycling the wood waste and put the energy and steam on the network again. And we did work also, but some of the project is not easily approving by the investor and the company owner. But we did work, so we are listening and we are just saying, okay, you might need this one, and we can also provide the solution or project to you as well. So it's first project, bring another project, and bring another project. We do work like this.
Any other projects?
Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Ömer Sadık is just coming up. Mr. Ömer Sadık. Osman, you have questions? Shoot.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Integrator Technology, for your speech. That's very great. So I'd like to say that I need we to make to place a B2B meeting. So I would like to tell you that Guinea is a mining country. We are a mining country. We are realizing one of the big projects of mining ore and iron ore in the world. One of the biggest projects. Simandu project. I don't know if you are hearing this project of the. So this project is mining project. They need engineering sectors to assist them to realize this project. So that's why I'd like we to please to program a B2B meeting, and we're going to talk about to check the opportunity we we can opportunity to work together in Guinea here. Thank you.
Yeah, we appreciate. We will arrange a meeting for with you. We do work. You know, I didn't mention 15 years background as a white collar. I didn't mention about this. There are approximately 40-50 projects I did complete as a personal project manager. So one was the magnetic separation project. It's been also awarded and in the Mining and Technology Conference in 2018. I will mention about you. Later.
Yeah, please.
Okay, that's fine.
Mr. Omar Sadik
Mr. Rashid, I would like next time you allow me to make a presentation with one of the person who master very well this project. We're going to share this opportunity with all the Turnkey members.
What is the project? It is port or?
No, it's not. It's mining projects.
Mining.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, maybe you can organize a webinar, a panel with Ms. Tekla, Mr. Omar Musa about mining opportunities, mining business.
I've requested his number. So you're going to send me his numbers. After that, I will contact him to discuss about it.
Yeah, you can organize a panel about business opportunities in mining industry in Africa.
Okay, no problem.
And Mr. Murat can find solution for all your needs from design to installation equipment. EPC means engineering, procurement, and construction.
Yeah.
Zaya, Mr. Omar Sadik, last floor, Pakistan.
With all respect, I need to leave because there is no one that will take.
Yeah. Don't. We don't want to keep your kids on the street. Thank you, Mr. Murat.
Okay, thank you for your.
Please share presentation on our group when you have chance.
Yeah.
I have shared. Yeah, I have shared already.
Sharing.
All right, Korhan. Thank you.
Your understanding.
Korhan is here to meet Mr. Omar Sadik. Omar Sadik from Pakistan. Maybe he has problem with connection.
Actually, sent an email to Mr. Sadik last week. We have communicated via emails.
Yeah,
but we haven't met.
But I want also other members get to know him. His connection is not good, I think.
Okay.
He's already.
Sorry for the lightning. I couldn't solve the issue.
Korhan, you must be ready for technical questions, okay? If you say, I don't know, it's very technical for me, then you lose your credibility. Nobody will give you business, okay?
Yeah, of course.
So this is my suggestion to you as a senior business developer. For example, whatever you do, it's all about giving confidence to the other part. Either you do it furniture or logistic. If you hesitate, like let me check and let me find out, I don't know, I am not engineer, then people move on. You miss the opportunity, you miss the ball. So please learn from Feray and Mr. Murat. It's not rocket science, you are not sending rocket to Mars, so it's easy. So what is needed? Engineering, procurement, construction. And you need also a logistic partner, Ayla Atat, and Atat Logistic, Miss Maya. And Badem, sweet Badem is waiting for your orders.
Yes, sure.
Badem is my favorite. You should bring Badem to our meetings, Miss Maya.
Next time, sure.
Really, it will bring us some energy. He is the cutest thing I have ever seen. I have a cat. I used to have a cat, but cats are ungrateful. As soon as their stomach is full, they forget about you. He was giving me some love to until he gets the wet food, meat or olive. He liked olive very much. I don't know why, but he could kill somebody for oil, one oil, and I mean olive, and I made him jump like one meter every day, 10 centimeter higher. I improved his jumping skills for olive, using one olive. Yeah, but it's really difficult to keep a pet in the house because of the injection and the hair, you know, and the toilet issues. It's
You
really
are completely right.
it's
But
really
it's cute.
pain in the stomach. But how you can throw badam to the street, or it's like a, you know, it's like a family member. And all right, thank you very much for
Thank you very much.
joining today, Mr. Ömer. Are you here? Last check. Miss Maya, can you please ask or you note my number?
Yes.
You can
Hello,
take
gentlemen.
You can take my number from Ayla if she's not in the operation, or Murat or Suat. Send me your number from WhatsApp, and I will add you to the list so that you can replace Miss Ayla when she is not there. Okay?
Okay, very good. I will ask to Suhat to your number,
Yes, yes.
and I will.
Ömer, go ahead, please.
Okay, thank you.
Pakistan, you missed the meeting. You missed the presentation of the industrial facility contractor, integrator. Mr. Korhan is here. Maybe you can
Yes.
develop some industrial facility. They are focused in mining also. Tell us about you, Ömer.
Sorry, I was away. I have some other appointment. You know, it's 8 p.m. here, so we are relaxing. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So today somebody also contacted me for this wind power. If any in your contact is someone in wind power or solar captive power, and particularly this session was EPC. So one EPC contractor you already shared with me. I have shared the profile with few of my contacts. So if anything come, I will definitely contact them.
Ömer,
This
I think
aggregator and value.
your right partner regarding energy solutions is power. Arcan Power Generator. I can link you. Also,
Yes.
Mr. Mehmet Gökdemir and his friends, they are working on solar panel energy fields. You know, you produce energy from the sun. So if you can give us more details, we can do the matchmaking. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining today.
And
As I said,
sorry, I didn't get a chance for this picture. If you want to take it again, or it's done.
it's done. Sorry.
Group.
Next time.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
and we have participation from 9 countries, around 18. We created a lot of
Mr.
cross-country.
Oman,
Okay,
I'd like
thank you
to know
very
about
much.
your wind technology, please.
Mr. President, we can't hear you.
Okay. I
Yeah.
said Thank you for joining today. Thank you all. We had 18 participants from 9 countries.
Thank you.
With a lot of cross-country and cross-industry business opportunities. I counted like 5 already linked, match made, some of them.
Mr. President,
Yes, boss.
I'd like to get the information about Mr. Omar's wind technology, please.
All right, we can. I can link you. Remind me. And we are going to host Miss Zuhal tomorrow. The day after tomorrow, Friday, we come together at Turkish Exporter Assembly for Bulgaria B2B. On Monday and Tuesday, there is a Burkina Faso B2B. We share details in the chat box in our WhatsApp group. And on Wednesday, Miss Farana from South Africa is coming to meet Turnkey members. The event is hosted by Zuhal Tuzcu, Innova Arc. So these are the notes. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Enjoy the rest of the week. Bye.